Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. In last or previous session we have learned about the types of or kinds of crops. In that we have learned about the food crops, oil producing crop, fiber crops. Yes, the food crops which satisfy the need of food. Then oil producing, we get oil or we obtain oil from these crops. Then fiber crops, from that we obtain the fibers like cotton. Yes, so these are the different types of crops. Then we have learned about the cropping season, means kharif crops, rabi crops. Yes, we have learned this. To memorize all these, there is a one flow chart and you have to keep in mind. Are you able to see? In that I have written cropping seasons in India, then kharif, then rabi and zaid. Yes, the kharif is monsoon crop, then rabi called winter crops, and zaid crops are called summer crops. Yes, and their harvesting, their planting means sowing season and harvest time also given. So it will be easy, and some examples of each crop is given, so it will be easy for you to understand or keep in mind the cropping season and in India. Yes, you have to keep in mind that flow chart. It will be easy for you. Then in today's session we will learn about the storage and protection of crops. See, as we have learned that different plants or different crops need different type of soil and different climate, and depending on that the crops are grown in the different areas. See, in all area in India, everywhere we cannot grow the same crop, because each crop needs particular soil and climatic conditions. Yes, for cotton we need the soil which holds water, which is rich in humus. Yes, so for coconut we need sandy soil but humid weather. Getting? So different crops need different kind of climatic condition and different type of soil. So depending on the need of that crop to grow, we are sowing the plants. Yes, we have sown the crop, now we have to harvest that crop. So during that period we have to take care of these crop. When the crop is in field, farmer also facing many problem, and after harvesting also they have to face problem. So what are these problems? First, when the crop is in field, that time they have to protect that crop from the insects, pests, yes, locusts, then caterpillar, then grasshoppers. What happens if they are not going to protect? All these pest or insect or caterpillar eat the crop. Yes, fully grown crop, and because of these the quality and quantity of crops goes down. So they have to protect their crops from these pest, insects. They have to spray pesticides. If they are not going to protect these crops, their quality and quantity, as I said, the yield also goes down. Yes, so they have to protect their crops from pests, caterpillars, then insects and fungus. Yes, then if they are not going to protect their field, the grazing animals also create problem. The fully grown crops may they eat, so they have to fence their field properly to protect their crops from these grazing animals. Yes, then after that, if there is a overproduction, then they will face problem of storage of crop. So that time they have to think think about the ways, different ways how they are going to store their crops. First, normally the farmer stores their crops in gunny bags or in silos. Yes, the tin containers. But if there are vegetables which are perishable, means which can destroy earlier, that time prefer the cold storage. Yes, they have to store. If there is a overproduction of apples, then they have to store in cold storage, or they have to use different methods to preserving of that, or they have to can, dry, they have to make a different product out of that. Yes, so they have to preserve and store crops so that when there is a need, we can use that. In odd seasons also we can use that. For example, mangoes, if we are going to store the mango pulp, we can use it in odd season. Then green peas, these are also we can use in odd season if we are going to store them properly. So in this way the farmer has to take care and store the food properly. Before storing these crops, they have to dry it in sunshine. Then after that they have to store it into moisture free containers. Yes, and that container should be properly sealed or gunny bags, and they have to store it in moisture free place. Yes, to avoid spoilage of food. If there is a moisture present in that crop, fungus may grow there and that crop will be spoiled. In today's session we have learned about the protection and storage of crops and a quick recap of cropping seasons in India. You have to keep in mind the flow chart, so it will be easy to learn the different examples and different seasons. Yes, so today we are going to stop here. Tomorrow we will learn something new about the plants. So